Hello guys, welcome to FixCrews again. Today we're installing this radiator, the steel multi-column. I don't know if you can see here. So the confusion with these radiators are that it has got the thread different way. The thread. So this is the clockwise thread that you can close it. The other one is the anti-clock. Way turning, okay. This one, you turn it anti-clockwise. Okay. See? So one side anti-clockwise, the other one make sure it's anti-clock. Yeah, some plumbers they get confused. Why is the thread wrong, or is it not closing, or they're cross threading it? This is the clockwise close. A different thread. Yep. Simple. This one also you have to look at it. You can see it's going right. Make sure you put the washer in properly, otherwise it might start leaking. Yep. And then this is the spring. We usually put this one into the flow side. If the radiator, this column radiator, is 1 meter high or higher, you have to put this on the flow side of the pipe. Otherwise, if it's lower, this is like 30 centimeters in height and 60 in width, it doesn't matter. Then there are some brackets, 2 comes at the top and 2 comes at the bottom. So once I install it, I'll let you see it. This is the bleeding point, which comes with a little bleeding key. It has a washer. You don't need to put any PTT. So when you put it, you don't have to see like which side it's coming, but make sure it's in the top. This is how we're gonna hang it. Okay, this has got a little Allen key spot that you can close it with, and then this is the cap. That's it. You bleed it after you put the pressure wrap and fill the radiator. You can anti-clockwise turn it and bleed it. Otherwise you close it. Yeah, once I hang it, I will just put the rest of the video. Yeah, thanks for watching. Yeah, back to column radiators. These are the 2 back plates. We have to screw these ones heading up in the right distance, and the other ones here, this goes inside and you twist it. Yeah, this way. Yeah. So you tie the screw, then this is the little, we call it hand, which is holding itself from there.